Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Options tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu and Options tab. In General tab, there are three sections. First section is User Interface Options. Second section is Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Third section is Startup Options. Let's begin with first section. That is User Interface Options. First option is Show Mini Toolbar on selection. If we select this option, Mini Toolbar will be shown when we select some content in presentation with quick access to formatting tools. Second option is Enable Live Preview. If we select this option, we can see preview of different font, highlight color, just by hovering mouse over different choices. Next option is Screen Tip Style, which is used to get the tips when we hover mouse on different components. Under Screen Tip Style there are three options. First option is Show Feature Descriptions in Screen Tips. Second option is Don't Show Feature Descriptions in Screen Tips. Third option is Don't Show Screen Tips. Next section is Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. We can provide username and initials. We can select the option, always use these values regardless of sign into Office. We can set Office background and Office themes from list, which are also available under File menu, Account tab. Next section is Startup Options. Options available are: Tell me if Microsoft PowerPoint isn't the default program for viewing and editing presentations, and show the start screen when this application starts. Next tab is Proofing. There are three sections. First section is Autocorrect Options. Second section is When correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs. Third section is When correcting spelling in PowerPoint. Let's begin with first section, that is Autocorrect Options. Under Autocorrect Options, there are four tabs. That is Autocorrect, Auto Format as you type, Actions, and Math Autocorrect. Under Autocorrect tab, the options available are: Show Autocorrect Options buttons, Correct to initial capitals, Capitalize first letter of sentences, Capitalize first letter of table cells, Capitalize names of days, Correct accidental use of caps lock key, Replace text as you type. We can add or delete text to replace with some other text in the list. Also, we can choose to automatically use suggestions from the spelling checker. Next tab is Auto Format as you type. Under Replace as you type, we can replace straight quotes with smart quotes, fractions with fraction character, ordinals with superscript, two hyphens with dash, smiley faces and arrows with special symbols, and internet and network paths with hyperlinks. Under Apply as you type, we can apply automatic bulleted and numbered lists, auto-fit title text to placeholder, and auto-fit body text to placeholder. Next tab is Actions. In this tab we can enable additional actions in the right-click menu. Next tab is Math Autocorrect. We can select Replace text as you type, and add or delete text from list, and replace some text with symbols. Next section is When correcting spelling in Microsoft Office programs. Options available are: Ignore words in uppercase, Ignore words that contain numbers, Ignore internet and file addresses, Flag repeated words, Enforce accented uppercase and French, Suggest from main dictionary only. Under Custom Dictionaries, we can edit word list, change default, create new dictionary list, add dictionary list, remove dictionary list, and add dictionary path by clicking on Browse. Also, we can set dictionary language. We can set French modes and Spanish modes. Next section is when correcting spelling in PowerPoint. We can check spelling as you type, hide spelling and grammar errors, and check grammar with spelling. Also, we can recheck document. Next tab is Save. There are 3 sections. First section is Save Presentations. Second section is Offline Editing Options for Document Management Server Files. Third section is Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. Let's begin with first section, that is Save Presentations. We can select the format to save the files. We can set auto recovery time in minutes. And we can keep the last auto-saved version if presentation is closed without saving. We can define auto recovery file location. Other options are: don't show the backstage when opening or saving files. Show additional places for saving, even if sign-in may be required. Save to computer by default. We can set default local file location and default personal templates location. Next section is Offline Editing Options for Document Management Server Files. We can save server checked out file to the server drafts location on computer or Office document cache. We can also define server drafts location. Next section is Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. We can embed fonts in the file with options as embed only the characters used in the presentation or embed all characters. Next tab is Language. There are 2 sections. First section is Choose Editing Languages. Second section is Choose Display and Help Languages. Let's begin with first section, that is Choose Editing Language. We can add additional language, remove, and set default language. Also, we can select the option Let me know when I should download additional proofing tools. Next section is Choose Display and Help Languages. We can set default for Display Language and Help Language. Next tab is Advanced. First section is Editing Options. Options available are: when selecting, automatically select entire word, allow text to be dragged and dropped, automatically switch keyboard to match language of surrounding text, and do not automatically hyperlink screenshot. Also, we can set maximum number of undos. Next section is Cut, Copy and Paste. Options available are: use Smart Cut and Paste, and show Paste Options button when content is pasted. Next section is Pen. We can use Pen to select and interact with content by default. Next section is Image Size and Quality, which we can set for open presentations. Options available are: discard editing data, do not compress images in file, and set default resolution with different resolutions. That is high fidelity, 330 ppi, 220 ppi, 150 ppi and 96 ppi. Next section is Chart. Options available are: Properties follow chart data point for all new presentations. We can select current presentation, and we can select Properties follow chart data point for current presentation. Next section is Display. Options available are: we can set number of recent presentations to show. We can set number of recent presentations to access quickly, and set number of recent unpin recent folders to show. We can show shortcut keys and screen tips. Show vertical ruler. Disable hardware graphics acceleration. Disable slideshow hardware graphics acceleration. Automatically extend display when presenting on a laptop or tablet. Show presence flags for selected items. Open all documents using this view. Options available are the view saved in the file, normal outline, notes and slide, normal thumbnails, notes and slide, normal outline and slide, normal thumbnails and slide, normal notes and slide, normal slide only, outline only, slide sorter and notes. Next section is slideshow. Options available are show menu on right mouse click, show pop-up toolbar, prompt to keep ink annotations when exiting, and end with black slide. Next section is print. Options available are print in background, print true type fonts as graphics, print inserted objects at printer resolution, high quality and align transparent graphics at printer resolution. Next section is when printing this document, which we can set for open presentations. Options available are use the most recently used print settings or use following print settings. Under print what? Options are full page slides, handouts 2 slides per page, handouts 3 slides per page, handouts 6 slides per page, notes or outline. Under color or grayscale, options are color, grayscale or pure black and white. We can print hidden slides, scale to fit paper, and frame slides. Next section is general. Options available are provide feedback with sound, show add-in user interface errors. Next tab is customize ribbon. We can choose commands, customize ribbon by adding new tab, new group, rename, adding or removing commands, reset customizations with options, that is reset only selected ribbon tab, or reset all customizations. Under import or export, we can import customization file, or export all customizations. Next tab is Quick Access Toolbar. We can select commands from list, add it to Quick Access Toolbar, or remove it from Quick Access Toolbar. Under Customizations, we can reset only Quick Access Toolbar, or reset all customizations. Under Import or Export, we can import customization file, or export all customizations. Also, we can show Quick Access Toolbar below or above the ribbon. Next tab is Add-ins. We can see all the add-ins and manage add-ins. Next tab is Trust Center. Under Trust Center Settings, first tab is Trusted Publishers. We can view or remove trusted publishers. Next tab is Trusted Locations. We can add new location, remove, or modify locations. Also, we can allow trusted locations on network, or disable all trusted locations. Next tab is Trusted Documents. We can allow documents on a network to be trusted, and disable trusted documents. Also, we can clear all trusted documents so that they are no longer trusted. Next tab is Trusted Add-ins Catalogs. We can block any web add-ins to start, and also block web add-ins from Office Store to start. We can add catalog to Trusted Catalog table, remove, or clear catalogs. Next tab is Add-ins. Options available are require application add-ins to be signed by trusted publisher, disable notification for unsigned add-ins, disable all application add-ins. Next tab is ActiveX Settings. Options available are disable all controls without notification, Prompt me before enabling unsafe for initialization controls with additional restrictions and safe for initialization controls with minimal restrictions. Prompt me before enabling all controls with minimal restrictions. Enable all controls without restrictions and without prompting. Also, we can enable safe mode, which helps to limit the control access to computer. Next tab is macro settings. Options available are: disable all macros without notification, disable all macros with notification, disable all macros except digitally signed macros, enable all macros. Also, we can enable trust access to the VBA project object model. Next tab is protected view. Options available are: enable protected view for files originating from the Internet, enable protected view for files located in potentially unsafe locations, enable protected view for Outlook attachments. Next tab is message bar. Under message bar settings for all Office applications section, options available are: show the message bar in all applications when active content, such as ActiveX controls and macros, has been blocked, or never show information about blocked content. Also, we can show policy tips in message bar. Turning this off will disable all policy tips unless your organization requires it. Also, we can enable Trust Center logging. Next tab is file block settings. We can select open or save for different file types. If we select open, PowerPoint blocks that particular file type or opens it in protected view. If we select save, PowerPoint prevents saving in that particular file type. Open behavior for selected file types are: do not open selected file types, open selected file types in protected view, open selected file types in protected view and allow editing. Also, we can restore defaults. Next tab is privacy options. Under privacy options section, options available are: send personal information to Microsoft to make improvement to Office, let Office connect to online services from Microsoft to provide functionality that's relevant to your usage and preferences. Under document-specific settings, we can remove personal information from file properties on save. Also, we can use Document Inspector to inspect content in document. Under Research and References section, we can use Translation options and Research options. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Microsoft PowerPoint interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.